Good morning, guys. I'm editing this video and I realized I didn't shoot a intro to this video. So yeah, the video you'll see is me installing the shifter. It's just pretty good. You know, it's hard to find fifth and reverse right now because the car is off and there's a reverse lockout when the car is running. So basically first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, but that's reverse. So without the lockout, you might have a tendency to go all the way, but this one you kind of feel it stop right there, and that's fifth and sixth. So we're gonna try to rock this stock shifter for now and see how it goes, and then yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of the video. The next video we'll see is us working on the exhaust. As you can see, this is the part that bends to go over to the back. We already got the headers and stuff mounted, but you'll see that in the next video. All right, guys, enjoy. All right, folks, today let's try to mount the shifter box. I got this two bolted to the factory ones, and then we got to drill 2 holes here, and I'll use this as a template. So what I'll do is let's tighten this. Let's line this into place. Okay, so that's tight. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so what I'm gonna do is drill a hole right here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we got those 2 holes drilled. Let's put the bracket on. See if we can. Before we get too ahead of ourselves, hopefully those reaches down there. If not, we would have to find longer ones. Okay, I'm assuming it looks like it would reach it. Alright, for the next step, we would have to go underneath and put 2 nuts underneath, and then I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I kind of just jumped ahead. After I got the thing mounted on the bottom, tying the 2 bolts over here, mounted this shifter. It's a factory Type S shifter. Now I got to run the cables. I think instead of taking out the heater core, I'll probably run the wire through here, cables, and then go down. I'm gonna go ahead and drill 1 hole on the floor. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. I'll be back. Okay, guys, as you can see, we got the holes drilled. We use a hole saw, so let's go ahead and run the lines. Hold on. Okay, so that's how we're routing the cables. It went outside and over the subframe, and then now let's go ahead and put this bracket on. Okay, let's see. battery's dead. All right, so that's on. So let's go ahead and figure out this. Okay, so let me figure it out. I need 2 hands for this and I'll be back. Okay, so shifter is in, the shift cable I should say. So let's go see inside, see if it works. Oh. It's reverse. Let's see. Trying to find the shift knob. Oh well. We have a shift knob somewhere, I just don't know where it is. Okay, so I did have to cut that piece right here right away so that this thing doesn't, I might even cut this off. See how that looks like it's gonna, oh there you go. Run it like that, zip tie it there. So let's see, first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. So it goes da 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 da, right? Pretty good. I gotta find some cotter pins to go with it, but overall it's good. We're good. So that's a wrap. Right now my son's working on welding the exhaust, so I don't know if that video will be on first or this video. I kind of just do it simultaneously. I do have to get something on that so it doesn't cut the shifter. All right, so till next time.